Hello, today we will guide you through how to progress bill in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll enable progress invoicing and then create and send an invoice, so you can bill customers in stages instead of all at once. This is helpful for longer projects or jobs where you want to invoice a percentage or portion as work is completed. Start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right and select the Settings gear. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control your company's core preferences, and turning on progress invoicing here ensures the feature is available whenever you're ready to bill in phases. In Account and Settings, select the Sales tab on the left side. Scroll until you see the Progress Invoicing option. Turn it on. Enabling this tells QuickBooks that you plan to create multiple invoices over time for the same work, which keeps your billing organized and helps your customer understand how each partial invoice ties back to the overall job. If you don't see the option, you may need admin permissions or to check that you're in the correct company. When you're done, click Save and Close to apply the change and return to your main workspace. Next, it's time to create your invoice. At the top left of the screen, hover your mouse over the Create button and choose Invoice. This opens a new invoice form. Click Add Customer and select or create the customer you're billing. Be sure the customer record includes an email address if you plan to send the invoice electronically. Add your usual invoice details and line items as needed. With progress invoicing enabled, your invoice can reflect a portion of the total work rather than the full amount, which is perfect for milestone or percentage billing. When the invoice looks right, select Review and Send. This gives you a final chance to confirm the details and preview what your customer will see. Take a moment to check the invoice date, due date, amounts, and message to the customer. Accurate dates and clear descriptions help avoid confusion, especially when you're billing in stages. Finally, click Send. QuickBooks delivers the invoice to your customer and records it in your books. From here, you can track payments and continue issuing additional invoices as your project progresses, maintaining a clear, professional billing flow from start to finish.